Over the next 2 weeks, we need to urgently reduce the level of transmission in our province to keep our schools and workplaces open and relieve that very real stress we are seeing right now on our healthcare system.
Mondays are usually big when it comes to reporting COVID-19 cases in BC as we get data from the weekend. The latest figures show 1,933 new cases across the province over a 3-day period. 713 reported on Saturday, 626 on Sunday, and 594 on Monday. There are 17 new deaths to report over the last 3 days. Another record has been broken for the number of people in hospital. 277 people are currently being treated for the virus. That's up 50 from Friday. 59 patients are in intensive care. There are 6 new outbreaks, bringing the total to 60 active outbreaks across the healthcare system, with the majority of them at long-term care facilities.
So that really speaks to where we are right now in our pandemic here in British Columbia. It is the most challenging of our time, and we are all feeling the strain. This virus doesn't pause, though, when we're tired and frustrated and we want it to be over. And it doesn't pause when we're out with our friends, our family members, those we care with.
Masks are required in all retail and indoor public spaces except for schools as part of the new COVID-19 directives announced last week. The province-wide restrictions also include only socializing with those living in your own household. The orders are in effect until December 7th, but Dr. Henry has said she will consider a possible extension.
I'm asking you to put the safety measures at the top of your list every day, rather than thinking about where the gaps are, where the shortcuts are. Is there a workaround? Is there a way I can get around this order? Simply put, we all need to focus on making a difference today.
Dr. Bonnie Henry says the next 2 weeks are critical in lowering the level of COVID transmission in the province to keep schools and businesses open and to protect the healthcare system.
I've come to think of it really as an Ironman race. We got through the swim barely this spring, and we learned quite a bit. And now we are on the bike ride. And this bike ride has some big hills to climb.
In Vancouver, Ashley Burr, City News.